Okay, Janice, here's our 3D rendering for your kitchen. This is all to size and scale with removing the drop ceiling and bringing the cabinets up. Obviously, we have the same layout as far as appliance placement as you currently do. But let's start on the sink side here. And I'm going to hide this wall just so we can get a better angle on it. Okay. So we can center the sink on the window. Obviously our dishwasher to the left, big bank of drawers, and we can get another door to the left here. So we have these 3 doors, and these 2 could be the glass doors with glass shelves. And underneath all of this is light rail to where we can put under counter or under cabinet lighting. Our Lazy Susan is in the corner over here. This door and this door are attached to one another. So our handle would be here, and this would open up and pretty much lay flat against the front of this cabinet, which would give you a lot of room to get in there for your Lazy Susan. And those Lazy Susans are obviously circular shaped, but there's a pie piece cut out of it, so it can be brought closer to the edge or the opening. A drawer stack to the right of your range. This upper cabinet here is L-shaped as well, just like the cabinet below it. So this door and this door are bound together. So this is all open. There is not there's not a rail right here. It's all open. Adjustable shelving cabinet here and to the right of the microwave. So these 2 are balanced. And the cabinet above the microwave pops out 14 inches. Let's look at it in plan view. It's kind of tough to see with the range, but this cabinet is 12 inches deep, and the cabinet above the microwave is 14 inches deep, just to break it up a little bit, which looks nice with the crown molding to go across the top. And then our enclosed refrigerator cabinet. This is the fridge leg that comes down, and this comes out 25.5 inches, the same depth as this. So that is this side of the kitchen. And of course this is all in the Artesia, the shaker style with the off-white finish. And I do all the prepping for the granite. So the granite company does not have to put any plywood down. They just can come in and set down the granite. And I'm going to put this wall back so we can talk about this one. So this side here, you currently have that really large island cutting board top that's pushed against the wall, and that comes out about 36 inches. So the depth from the wall to here is about the same. I think this has come out a couple more inches, but we have a large bank of drawers here for plenty of storage. And this cabinet here we've widened to match up with the wall opening, optimize that. So this cabinet now is almost 41 inches wide, and we've kept these cabinets 4 inches from the opening on the left and 4 inches from the end of the wall on the right. And in this cabinet is where I would put in this drawer, excuse me, the breadboard. So the top of this drawer is what we typically do, is just split. The top third is a breadboard, and the bottom 2/3 is a shallow drawer. Drawer storage behind this cabinet, and on the other side, I know it's kind of tough to see, Here, let's hide this wall so we can get a better angle. Hide that one. Hide this one. Okay. So on this side, this would be for cookie sheets, cooling rack storage here, with a drawer above it. And above this cabinet, this just a limitation with this computer program I am using, but this would be a tambour or a roll top door, these two doors right here. So again, this is 40 inches wide, and I brought this out. This cabinet here is 16 inches deep. So we don't have, if we can see the base cabinet here, this is a standard depth 24-inch deep cabinet, just like your sink cabinet. But I've brought the cabinet that sits on top of it out, so it comes over 4 inches. So we've lost a little bit of countertop space from the front of the door to the front of the cabinet. But we did that obviously to gain appliance storage in that cabinet. So something to think about. We can make this smaller or measure some of those appliances to see if you need that much room. And then the doors above it have adjustable shelving in here. And this is of course finished off with crown molding on the top. And this would have to be put in after the granite goes down. I'd have to come back and set this on top of it the way this works. So that is our current layout. I'll put these back. Let me know if you want to make any adjustments or change anything, or if you like the way it is. And in this cabinet here, you were talking about a spice rack. We can talk more about some of the options and possibility with putting something in there. But let me know what you think. Thank you.